Today I'm going to teach you how to play Indifferent by Arden Jones. Somebody requested this one. Huh? Oh. Alright, so first thing you want to do is make sure you have your ukuleles, make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tunings. Now let's get to the chords. I wanted to butt in and say don't forget that you guys can go down there and next to the subscribe button, if you're not already subscribed, you can also join and be a member. You get exclusive content, responses to all your comments and badges and a bunch of other stuff. So if you want to support me and do that, that would be awesome. And I'm planning on doing more stuff on this channel, and I'm planning on doing other things, but it's up to you guys if you want me to do them on this channel or create a separate one for it. Kind of like kind of vlogs and other stuff. Like I'm learning Japanese and stuff, and some people wanted me to do videos on that, but I don't know if I should do it on this channel or another. But I'm always going to be doing these ukulele tutorials, so that would just be extra stuff. So should I do it here or on the other channel? I don't know. You guys let me know. Let's get to the tutorial. Alright, so there is only 4 chords in this song, and he plays them over and over again, just like the other song that we did. The first chord is a G, so you want to put your middle finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, your pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret. The chord after that is a D sharp diminished. So it's this same G shape, but just up 3 strings. So middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, top string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret. The chord after that is an E minor, which is the staircase one. So it's pointer finger, bottom string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger, 2nd string, 4th fret. The chord after that is the only tricky one. It's a C add 9, which is this barred and then this bottom string and this top string, which this is kind of awkward and uncomfortable. And I think this sounds just as good, which is just a C minor. So just bar this 3rd fret and then get this top string on the 5th fret, the one with the dot. And it sounds like this. That's a little bit easier than the C add 9. So C minor instead is what we're gonna do. So all together, G, G sharp diminished, E minor, and C minor. Now let's get to the strumming patterns. There's an ice cream truck. Why don't you subscribe and like this video? Okay, so this song has only 2 strumming patterns, but they're kind of mixed in and out of the song. So for the intro, the bridge, and the 2nd verse, just those 3, is just down strums for each. Okay? And then the chorus and the 1st verse that he starts the song with, it is the down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So that one will sound like this. Okay? It's pretty easy, so let's go ahead and try and sing this song. So you're trying to be happy, I wish you good luck. I would rather drink liquor, I would rather smoke butts. I got a pain in my chest and a heart that sucks. They don't give second chances, well I don't give. Trying to give you my praise through heaven's gate. They don't want to take advice from a kid my age. All I'm gonna say is let's give face. It's not like anything really matters anyway. So how it goes? Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Indifferent by Arden Jones. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with 2 heads.